first pose is Chakki Chalanasana, also known as milk churning pose. To start the asana, sit on the yoga mat with your legs straight out. Clasp your hands and outstretch your arms in front of you. Take a deep breath in and start moving the upper part of your body to the front and right, forming an imaginary circle with your body. Inhale as you go forward and to the right. Exhale as you go backward and to the left. In the beginning, make 3 to 5 rounds clockwise, then anti-clockwise, and take it up to 10 or more after practice. Benefits are it tones the back, abs, and arm muscles. Tones the uterine muscles in females, so it is very useful in preventing painful cycles if practiced regularly. Consistent practice helps in reducing abdominal fat. It improves the function of reproductive organs. Lie down on the yoga mat and relax for 5 to 10 seconds before we get into next pose. Dvichakrikasana, also known as cycling yoga pose. To start this asana, place your hands under the buttock to support your back. Inhale, fold your both legs and bend up at the knee and start rotating your both legs together at a time. Try to make a circle during paddling. During the process, exhale when one rotation is complete, then inhale. Repeat this exercise 10 to 30 times as per the capacity. Don't push hard. Benefits are this is the best yoga pose to reduce belly fat. It provides strength to the back, hips, and thighs. It also improves body posture as well as hips flexibility. If you feel any discomfort or irregularity with the menstruation, it will help in curing menstruation problem. If you are a beginner, you can start doing with one leg at a time and make sure keep breathing while performing this asana. Repeat this 5 to 10 times to start with and then take it up to 30 times gradually. Repeat the same with other leg. Back to the initial position, legs stretched out and relax your arms. Relax in Shavasana for 10 seconds before we move to next asana. Next asana is Bhujangasana, also known as Cobra pose. To do this pose, lie down on your stomach and legs stretched out, arms onto either side of your body. Bring your palms in front of you and place them under your chin, one hand on the other and legs slightly apart. Inhale, then lift your body up, the chest, shoulders and head. Hold for a few seconds, breathing easily, release back to the floor with an exhalation. Repeat this asana 3 to 5 times in the beginning, then take it up to 10 or more after practice. Benefits are it strengthens the spine and reduces the belly fat. It helps in relieving stress and fatigue, also firms the buttocks. It stimulates abdominal organs and increases body heat, destroy disease also. Back to the initial position, outstretch your arms and relax for 10 seconds before we start the next asana. Markatasana, also known as spinal twist pose. To start this asana, lie down on your back facing upwards and hands onto either side of your body. Raise your both hands outwards to the shoulder level and palms facing upwards. Bend your legs from the knees. Knees and toes should be joined together. Bring your feet close to the hips. While inhaling, turn your legs towards right knees resting on the floor and left one over the right. Turn your neck to the left, that is opposite side from the legs. While exhaling, come back to the normal posture. Repeat the same, turn your legs to the left and neck towards the right. Repeat the asana 5 to 10 times to start with, or as much as your capacity, and take it up to 30 times gradually. Benefits are it helps in reducing side belly fat and improves spine flexibility. It is very effective asana to prevent constipation and indigestion. It improves memory and calms your body and beneficial in diabetes. Rest for 5 to 10 seconds before we practice next asana. It's a variation of Markatasana. Remain in the same position as Markatasana, but your legs slightly apart. Inhale and turn your legs towards the right knee resting on the floor and left knee over the right feet ankle. Repeat the same, turn legs towards the left and neck to the right. Repeat this asana 5 to 10 times in the beginning, then take it up to 30 times only after practice. Benefits are it improves the structural balance of your body. It helps in curing diabetes and make your spine flexible. It also improves digestive system and prevent constipation. If practiced regularly, develops memory and increases self-knowledge. Relax in Shavasana for 15 to 20 seconds before we finish yoga. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, so keep practicing and stay healthy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.